YouTube Music gift cards can be a great way to enjoy music streaming without the hassle of monthly payments. Follow these steps to redeem your gift card and start listening. Step 1. Locate the gift card code. Find the unique code on your YouTube Music gift card. This code is usually found on the back of the card and may require scratching off a protective layer to reveal it. Step 2. Sign into YouTube Music. Open the YouTube Music app or visit the YouTube Music website. Sign in using your Google account. If you don't have an account, you'll need to create one to redeem the gift card. Step 3. Access the redeem page. Once signed in, navigate to the account settings or the subscription section. Look for an option that says redeem or redeem a gift card. Step 4. Enter the gift card code. Input the code you found on your gift card into the designated field. Make sure to enter it exactly as it appears, paying attention to any letters or numbers. Step 5. Confirm the redemption. After entering the code, click the Confirm or Redeem button. You should see a confirmation message indicating that the gift card has been successfully redeemed and your YouTube Music subscription will be activated. Now you can enjoy all the benefits of YouTube Music. Happy listening!